Have you ever encountered a time when you're practicing the Yangqin halfway and the rubber tube on the Yangqin stick just came off? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to replace the rubber tube on your Yangqin sticks. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music. If this is your first time watching my video, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts as well as music tips and life lessons that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. Alright, before we get started, please make sure you have these 3 items ready. Your pair of Yangqin sticks, the rubber tube for the sticks, as well as a pair of sharp pointed scissors. You can get those kind of cosmetic scissors that is small and portable. It's convenient for you to bring around everywhere you go. Why must it be sharp pointed? It is very important because we will need to poke through the rubber tube later. I'm going to share with you step by step how you are going to do it. So once you get ready these 3 items, let's get started. Step 1. We are going to do a measurement for the rubber tube to see how much we need to cut off. So how do I do that? Usually I'll use this area to make a estimated measurement. Alright, so I'm going to place the tips of the rubber tube here. So how much do I cut? I usually cut off at the end of the head like this. So this is the estimated length that I'm going to use. Once I get that, I'm going to cut it. Alright, so since I'm going to need a pair, so I'm going to cut 2 of them. Please make sure they are of equal length. Alright, so once you've done that, this is your step 1. Okay, let us proceed to step 2 now. Grab one of these. Alright, we are going to calculate approximately 0.5 cm, which is around here. Alright, and I'm going to poke it through like this. Okay, this is approximately 0.5 cm. So next we are going to cut it upward like this. Alright, and leave a gap of 0.5 cm also. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to take away and do the same for the other one. Alright, so that is your step 2. Please make sure that you are able to open it like this. Can leave a 0.5 cm gap and you are able to open up like this for both. Alright, so let's go to step 3. Step 3 is the insertion of the rubber into the head. Okay, this part is a little bit more tricky. The head of the sticks must always be pointing down. And when you are holding on to the head, please make sure you are holding at this part and not at the neck or at the body. As you can see, the neck and the body is very thin and fragile. So we are going to hold on this part, the middle of the head, and we are going to face it downward like this. And for the rubber, it's going to be facing up. The part that you cut is supposed to be facing up. Alright, so the head facing down, the area that you cut is facing up for the rubber. As you can see, a tiny hole over here. We are going to insert the tip of this head into the hole here like this and push it in. Okay, once you push it in, okay, it should stay here. But just in case the rubber tube fall off, usually I'll use my index finger to hold on to it like this. Alright, then the next step is to push it down. Okay, when you do that, push it down and open it up, you should be able to see the tips of the sticks here. Right, so I'm going to do it one more time. Where you are in this position, just pull it back, open up the area where you cut and push it downward like this. So at the side it should look like this. Alright, so this is the step. The next step is to push it down like this. Push from both sides, push it down. Okay, it requires a little bit of strength. Alright, so now the next step is to push it down on both sides. Remember to push it down on both sides and not roll it down. Okay, a lot of beginners always roll it down. In the end, it stretches the rubber and ultimately break the rubber. So just push it down on both sides using your index finger slowly. Okay, this requires some practice, but the more you do, the faster you'll be able to push them down. Alright, so once you come down here already, you just pull back and push it up like this. Okay, once you get to this point, the rest is very easy. The final step is just to put the whole head into the slot where you cut just now like this. Okay, on the top, push it in. Yeah, that's it. Usually when there is some excess rubber over here, I will just cut it off. There you go. This is how you insert the whole rubber tube into the head, and ultimately this is how you change the rubber tube for your Yangtze sticks. So I'm going to do the same for the other one. Alright, so this is how you replace the rubber tube for both of your Yangtze sticks. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like what you watched, remember to hit the like button and to share with your friends. Do not get disheartened if you break a few rubber tubes during the process of training. A few more tries and you'll definitely get the hang out of it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.